Okay, so what I was doing was just prepping the weld area inside and out. What I failed to mention was I went in with a grinding disc just to get deep down into that groove. Um, Unfortunately, at the end, I had a bit of a small blowout, but that wasn't the end of the world. Um, what I did was I just took the amps down and I made my downslope time a bit longer. As you'll see, that's why I was pulsing with my finger there, and the arc didn't immediately stop, and that turned out pretty well. So here I just want to show how the weld looked on the outside. It was a pretty flat profile with good through penetration, and I was pretty happy with that. So after all the welding was done, I found it good that I just needed to put some paint on it to prevent some rusting. The client didn't specify anything, as I think they would be sandblasting and respraying the whole dumbbell itself.